Welcome to Patient9. Heart doctor might have advised a transcatheter aortic valve replacement (TAVR) procedure for you instead of an open heart surgery (OHS). Or, you might be having another health condition, such as kidney or lung disease or diabetes, which would make open heart valve replacement surgery risky for you. In this case as well, your doctor might advise transcatheter aortic valve replacement (TAVR) for your aortic stenosis. Now to the main part. Aortic valve stenosis is a mechanical impairment in the functioning of the aortic valve. This means it cannot be managed by medications alone and requires an interventional procedure to fix or replace the valve. There are many different FDA-approved transcatheter aortic valves available in the market for your TAVR procedure. Now that you have a general idea of these options, we hope you will be able to make a more informed decision together with your doctor. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.